Hi viewers, Kishore from Candletricks, Chennai. This week, I shared totally 9 calls with my students for learning support purpose by WhatsApp broadcast, and these all are the basic free calls. 13th of May, Monday, I shared totally 2 calls. One is Tata Motors with 2000 rupees profit, and next one is Dr. Reddy 3750 profit. 14th of May, INFI 2400 rupees profit. 15th of May, Highbull Housing Finance with 4000 rupees profit. 16th of May, I shared totally 3 calls. Dr. Reddy was not given the opportunity, first call. And next one is IOC with 1600 rupees profit. I found some noise, that's why I informed to my students to book the position in IOC. Next call is Dr. Reddy with 2000 rupees profit. 17th of May, Friday, I was given 2 calls. One is Dr. Reddy with 5000 profit. Next one is Maruti with 4800 profit. Daily basis, I'm sharing 1 or 2 calls with my students for learning support purpose. So last week we booked profit 16,240 and this week profit is 25,500 overall profit I shared with my students. Candletricks price action trading 1-day workshop. 6th round next week at Chennai. The batch is completely booked and even the participants started doing pre-seminar studies. It's purely basic about candlestick chart. Pre-seminar studies for avoiding unwanted noise during the workshop purpose. They are doing the pre-seminar studies. I appreciate the registered members about learning and knowing the real hidden secrets of market and makers with unique Candletricks strategy. Upcoming schedule details also given below in this video description. Interested candidates can contact by WhatsApp to know the course syllabus and book your seat to start your journey with our Candletricks family. And workshop seats are very limited, so book your seat earlier. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment. We'll get back to you with next week call report. Be happy, healthy and have a great life. Thank you.